Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to show you a really cool tool that I don't think that many people actually know what it does or how to use it. So it's actually called the Format Painter. So what it's going to do, it's going to allow us to select something on our document. It's going to copy the style, the size, essentially everything. And then what we can do is we can apply it to other words as well. So you saw in the previous video, we changed up quite a bit here on the word ipsum. It's not, like I said, we wouldn't want to keep our document looking like this, especially if it's like a school paper or something we're doing for work. But just for our example here, you can see it definitely stands out from the surrounding text. So if we wanted to go ahead and we wanted to actually change some other words to make it look like that, without having to go through and make all the same changes to those words, we can just actually go ahead and highlight this. And then we can click on Format Painter. And now if we come over to some other words, like let's say we want to make this whole sentence look like that. Okay, now that is not the most attractive, but you can see it copied it. It copied we changed the font style, we changed the size, we made it italicized as well. We changed the color, and any other changes that we would have made to that word would have been able to be applied to those other words. So I'm sure as you're working through your document, you're making changes that are a lot more subtle. But maybe you want to be able to, maybe you don't even remember all the changes that you made to a word. You can just use that Format Painter tool, copy whatever you did for that word, and then you can apply it to a set of words or a series of words, or maybe just a particular word or a whole section.